Hello, good evening to all, and welcome to Class Setup. Before I talk about Class Setup, let me tell you why do we need it. So, as you all know that the COVID pandemic had an adverse effect on the education sector. The communication gap between the teachers and the students was widely increased. This resulted in a drop of performances of the students and the teachers as well. So, to counter this problem, we have come up with Class Setup. ClassSetup is an e-learning platform wherein the students and the teachers can interact with not only interact with each other very easily through a video call meeting, but can also get detailed insights of their performances. The motto of ClassSetup is to analyze the performance, compare the data visually, and then improve significantly. Currently, we are providing three services. The first service is an online classroom wherein the students and the teachers can join a meeting and interact with each other. Second service is unique to our platform. This service can be used to analyze a pre-recorded meeting so as to generate a detailed summary of the meeting, and after that, it will be shared with the students and the teachers. And the third service is real-time video analysis, wherein the students and the teachers can join a Zoom meeting and get detailed insights of their performance live in the classroom. This is our team. Now I will quickly sign in. I've already made an account. If you don't have an account, you can go ahead and then create an account. I'll quickly sign in now. So there are three options here. The first one is dashboard. So here you can see the data from the previous meetings. This is a profile section. So before I explain this further, I'll just go to interaction analysis. This part has been divided into two segments. The first segment is to create a meeting and then join it. So the teacher can just create a room here and join the video call. And the second section is wherein the teacher can upload a recorded video meeting and then a summary will be generated for it. So I'll quickly click here, enter the meeting name, and then click join room. So right now an email will be sent to my students so that they can join the room. Apart from this, we have also received a WhatsApp message. As you can see, it's 8:32 right now, and we have received a WhatsApp email alert telling us that the meeting has started. So I'll quickly join the meeting. While my students are joining the meeting, I'll just show you this whiteboard feature that we have implemented. Here, the students and the teachers can draw or interact with each other while doing this so that they can study efficiently. Now I'll go to the meeting section. I think my students are joining the meeting now. They must have received an email suggesting that they should join the meeting. While I do that, I'll just show you the start recording feature. So from this, I can start recording the meeting. If I click here, I just select this, and the meeting will get started. It will be recorded. Okay. And while the meeting is going on, we can just proceed with the normal functions. And after that, see, my students have joined. Just a second, huh? I'll just stop the recording, and so that they can see what happens. So I'll just give it a name, and as you can see, a file has been downloaded here. So yes, Anmol, can you please share your screen and show that you have received an email?
Yeah, hi. I'll just share my screen.
As you can see, Anmol received an email just 0 minutes ago. So yes, now let's test the chat feature. I'll just send you a quick chat, and please can you respond? Okay. As you can see, we have already showed you how the video recording works and how the chat recording works, and we've also shown you the screen share option. So now students, you can leave the meeting. Thank you. Okay, so the meeting has ended. So now I will show you the video analysis feature. I'll quickly enter a name here. Any name, it doesn't matter. And I'll upload a video. So let me upload a video first. So if I go to documents, I have a pre-recorded video here. I'll just upload it. So when I click on submit, so the analysis starts. So as you can see here in the backend, the analysis has started. This is the console of Red Hat, and you can see that the data is has come here and the analysis has started. So this process takes some time. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. And while it does, we can just see that the data is there. Okay. So currently the analysis is going on. Apart from this, this feature can also be used to analyze the conversation between customers and the customer care service employees, so that the company can get a better view on the demands of the customer. So as you can see, the data is being generated here, and after it is generated, we can just go back to the dashboard and we see the results there. So as you see, entire data is being generated. So while it is being generated, let's not waste our time. I'll quickly go back and just show you what comes here. So suppose this is class 1. Suppose I show you this data. So that see, so the data has come. So herein you can see detailed analytics, like the total number of people who were present in the meeting, the conversation time, the speed rate of the user, how fast he was speaking throughout the meeting, the overall sentiment of the meeting, and the number of questions asked. So if I click here, you can see that we'll get a graph of the frequent words that were being used in the meeting, the topics that were discussed, and the overall opinion on those topics. You see some topics are very happy, and there's some sadness in this critical headache topic. So these are the topics, and then we get a detailed analysis of the questions asked throughout the meeting, and then there are some action items, and then there are some follow-ups. Apart from this, if we go to sentiment analysis, we get a in detail transcript of the entire conversation that happened. So
Good
as you
morning,
can see,
students.
we get
Good
all the
morning, sir.
emotions, all types of emotions, and the intent the question
I
had.
see you have not
Okay,
completed your
and we
homework.
get a video
Why
also
have you
here.
not completed
One more
your
feature is
homework?
there is that we can seek to any
After I
sentence.
left home from
So
school,
as you can see, if I click here,
I'm not lying.
so I just skip to the part where
May
that
I?
sentence was spoken. So also we get a suggestion report here. Okay. Apart from this, we can even compare the datas, and that's a great feature here. So if I click here and if I click, suppose, let me view the data first. So we can compare this data. So if I go back and we compare these two datas, we can get a detailed comparison between the data, so that the student can improve after seeing this data. Okay, we get a line chart, we get a difference between the performance, and that's all. Apart from this, we have also real-time analysis, wherein the students can just copy the Zoom link and then join the meeting, and a bot will join the meeting and analyze the performance and give them real-time results. So these were some of the features. Apart from this, as you can see, we have got all the data here. And not only we have got the data, we have also implemented MongoDB service here as well. So if you see our topology, so let me quickly load the topology. So you can see that this is a classroom, and this is a main website, and this is a Mongo server, and the data is coming from here. Okay. So as you can, if you we go to that administrator part, and I go to the services that are being that are there, then you can see that there's in one class setup service, and then there's MongoDB service, and the service is running currently. Okay. So that's all. Let me quickly log out. I hope you like it. Thanks a lot.